And this little thing is going to look completely different. So stick around and find out what she looks like in the latest episode of Pimp My Ride.
You're my honeybee, sweet as can be, dancing through my daydream melody. Strawberry fields where only we roam. You're the sugar rush that feels like home.
Good morning. Very exciting today. About 1 minute past, I just come to farm for select the tree for customer. Come to pick the tree for customer, but the big bird is called airplane from army fly past my head very close today. I don't know what happened, but I see first time is very close on my head. Amazing day. Okay, good day and amazing day. I say like this because I see there's something amazing, two things. Number one, I see the egg on near my lemon tree. I really don't want to touch. Look, I'm not sure this the bird egg or the snake egg. Scared for touch. Okay, and another thing is amazing day. Just 1 minute, I see airplane from the army fly past my farm very close, very big, very exciting. But I don't know what happened today. Maybe something not good. You see the airplane like this fly very close. I mean, it means something happened. But whatever, it's not about lemon farm, right? I just want to tell. Okay. And I will show everyone about I have new animal in the farm. Not the dog, not the bird, but it's called ladybug. It's amazing. I never use chemical, right? They confirm 1,000,000% not use chemical or everything I spray just natural spray. About the chemical spray for fly that I never use. And now I see fly. It's called ladybugs. Very lovely. I will show. It's a lot. A lot. See everywhere. I just to know about. I think 5 days ago, and I know this the area they live here. They love grass. I think they eat this for them food. They love grass. Look. Okay. And 2 days ago, I think I want to cut grass clear, right? But when I see ladybug, oh, they're very happy. They're very happy. I think I not cut. I just keep for them live. Tell David already. I say, David, we have something in the farm. We have ladybugs. Amazing. Because David, he say he will buy ladybug for eat egg fish. But after talk in the morning, about evening, I come to spray. I just say, oh, I see place for ladybug already. It's a lot. And they're not, they just stay this area and they not fly. Like, when look, I can touch, my hand can close to them. No problem. And yesterday I have good news. I have someone come visit farm. His family, they straight to buy lemon and come to buy ladybug too. Very happy. Thank you so much for come visit lemon farm here and support by lemon tree. Thank you so much. And I hope they enjoy. I hope his wife enjoy. I'm very happy when I free something like I like give vegetable or something like the woman. Women they love plant something like vegetable for eat. Plant in at the back house or in the small garden for relax job, for happy, for relax. I love that. I want everyone happy in life. I just give, I'm not sure date or not, but it's okay, never mind. Just like activity, something for make them happy. Go to pick lemon for customer. Cafe shop. Time to delivery lemon in the cafe shop in Lahan Sai. Yeah, get money already. Very happy.
So, there she is, my little baby behind me. We're gonna pimp my ride today. And we're in Nang Rong and we're at this shop here. And this little thing is gonna look completely different. So stick around and find out what she looks like in the latest episode of Pimp My Ride.
This sticker shop is, the owner is the woman, the beautiful woman. If who never see, the woman can do everything. Sticker shop. Usually we will see the man do sticker, right? But this the woman. Sticker shop. David just helping for watching straight or not. Nearly finished. Lovely now. Yeah, lovely.
Well, this is a proper store. That tree over there. First rain of the year. Actually very early. A bit early. Don't normally get rain until about May. So, good for the farm. Good for the farmers. So I love this if you're growing potato. Tomorrow morning will look very green and fresh. So, you saw the pictures of the rain. Wow, it rained some last night. About 3 hours. Look how green it is. Everything loves a bit of rain. You look at that. Sweet pea, the Brazilian nutgrass there. That's spread like crazy. This is a good one to look at. Look at that. All bright green. It's amazing. Suddenly lots of growth. Yeah, so it rained last night for about, I would say, 3 hours, which is most unusual in February. And we can say we're very happy about that. It's very, very green. Everything. Looks like I might have to cut the grass. Everything's grown, obviously. The weeds as well. So, even the lemon trees. Look at that. That little lemon tree there, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 lemons on there. All loving the rain. So, sorry about this, Miss Patnaree. Let me take that lemon off. show you in a bit what I've done to my pickup, the farm pickup, and yeah, I hope you like it. So not much going on this week really. It's going to be a short episode. We're in the middle of a hot season now. I've heard all sorts of rumours about being El Nino, not as much rain this year, etc. We'll see on that. That was forecasted last year, forecasted the year before, global warming, blah blah blah. But I'll take El Nino if it means we're having a bit of rain in February and March. I'll take that, because that means it's more spread out, not as much drought. So yeah, we had a visit from Sam and his family. Thank you very much, Sam. Lovely to meet you. Thank you very much for the coffee, and thank you for buying some trees. This week we got another visit. It's the time of the year when people visit. So yeah, this Sunday we got another visit, and hopefully it'll be nice and green as it is today. Patnaree's found some ladybugs on the farm, and they're good for the trees. They eat the aphids, and yeah, some of the trees are getting really, really big now. The Mayor lemons are still struggling a bit, but they seem to be trying. They're giving it a go, but as I said, if they don't progress by the next rain season, we'll remove them and replace them with Lisbon or something like that, or Eureka, which all seem to be growing very well here. I have been looking at other ground cover plants, but the Brazilian nut seems to be the best one so far. Only downside with the rain, you've got to spray. What else is going on? Bees are doing very well. As it's getting hotter, the hives are growing. These are the little trigona. I've got a few more hives coming. I'm not going to split them this year. I'm just going to let them develop and grow. Get some honey this year. And that's that really. And here's Patnaree with the dogs. Hello, dog. Yeah, they're always scared. Proper skitty. Hello, dog. Yeah? These are your new friends on the channel. Yeah. That one's Honey. Kind of want to say hello, but they're still very skitty. But they live on the farm. That one's Mum. She's got more bloody pups on the way. God knows how many she's going to have. But with the rain overnight, flowers, lots of flowers. There's a baby growing there. But what we are doing now for the rest of this year, or this dry season, any lemon trees that we see with new lemons on, we're taking off the lemons, because I want the trees to establish the roots rather than putting all the energy into the fruit. It's nice having the fruit, but we're not quite there. I think I'll let Patnaree do the fruiting next year. She's sold everything that's grown. She's got another delivery today. We're helping selling other farmers that we've helped grow lemon trees. We're helping them to sell their lemons in the market. So yeah, Patnaree's going to hate me for this one, but I'm going to take this lemon off. If I see any lemons that are forming, I'll just nick them off, and the energy goes into the right places. So yeah, there we go. If you're living in Thailand, remember this time of the year, lots to drink, lots of water, especially in the day. There's not a lot you can do on a farm during the heat of the day in the hot season. By 11 o'clock, it's just too hot, and you don't see any farmers out. You know, they're up and about at 4 o'clock in the morning, the locals, at this time of the year. My next video, this is what I've decided to do with the channel now, is one video, just chill, casual speak. Next video, I'm going to try and do something instructional. And my next video is going to be about the bees, why we keep the bees, a bit like the country one. A lot of people like that one. And I have to say, if I can show you, the little comfrey plant that I showed you in that video, that was only a week ago I made that. It's grown. They're like weeds. So I pulled this one out because I promised Gordon I would send him one, but this is the one that I showed everybody last week. There you go. It's doing really, really well. It's a comfrey. Still not sure what type of comfrey it is, but it's growing really, really well. I would say in another month, that whole pot, you should be able to split, Gordon, and make lots out of. So we're going to send Gordon that today, and along with something else. So hope you enjoy that, Gordon. All we're doing at the moment is putting it in, I wouldn't say full sun, sort of semi-shade, bit of water every day. It's growing like crazy. So yeah, all these finger lime, I've got these are all sold, these finger lime. But look at that, got all the fruits on them. This tree has got loads and loads and loads of fruit. Most of the finger lime are like that, but all of these pretty much sold. She's got some here for sale. Those are my bee plants there. So yeah, next video, oh, excuse me, next video all about bees, and stingless bees to be exact, and why I keep them on the farm, and the benefits of the honey. So I hope you look forward to that. Those sort of videos, they take a little bit of time. I have to write notes and remember certain facts, which I'm not great at doing. So if you think I'm reading, I probably am when I do that video. There's lots of fun facts about stingless bees. We began the video with Pimp My Ride, and today I'm gonna let Patnaree give you a guided tour of our pickup truck and what we did with the pickup truck. Okay, Patnaree.
Hello.
So tell them how you pimped your ride.
This day with design, and we go to make in Ampher Nang Rong, not far from farm. Amazing! It's look fresh, beautiful. I love that.
Okay, so that's the front. Where
Yeah.
else did we get done?
The door. This is my phone number. The people can contact me. YouTube. And at the back, there YouTube Lemon Farm Thailand there, and phone number very big. Very big, can see clear. And that you see when night time they bright light, people turn on the light car, they can see because like
Neon.
spring.
Yeah, it's neon.
Yes. It's,
Like safety clothing. You can
Yes.
see it in the dark.
yes.
And
1, 2, 3, 4, and this the door.
so how much did all that cost now? Including them putting it all on.
1,800 baht.
There you go. So 1,800 baht to have all the signage done on the pickup.
Yeah, we just send picture and she design and she print and took for us 1,800 baht.
Yeah,
What do you think is expensive or not?
there we go. So if you see us and you see Lemon Farm, give us a beep, all right? Beep beep. Or even if you see it, subscribe. Why not? Okay, that's it. Say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye bye. Hope everyone enjoy this video today. Today is very relax day. my free day.
I
Thank
think
you.
the way she's dressed, I think she wants me to take her out.
Yes.
Ciao for now. See y'all again soon. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Sunshine sprinkles in your hair when you wave from the school bus stare. My heart tap dances in my chest. Every glance feels like paparazzi.